Hi, I am John. Today I am going to teach you the basic syntax of programming C++ using Turbo C++ compiler. Stay tuned and get ready. Let me open first my Turbo C++ compiler before I start discussing. Let me code first the syntax. stdio stands for standard input-output in the library as a header file. It is also called as a preprocessor directive. This file has a bunch of code that contains the definitions for functions like printf, scanf, etc. Using this header we can print output to the screen and accept input from user. Let me show to you how printf and scanf works as the functions of the stdio preprocessor directive. If you want to print something you must enclose it in a double quotation inside the printf function. Now let's try to run the program. As you can see, the two words had been printed in the screen. And now the scanf function where we can accept input. Now, you might wondering what is $d stands for. This is the input format for an integer such as age, and etc. as long as it is an integer. Now, let's try to run the program. As you can see, the compiler told me that there was an error. It is because I did not declare the variable age as an integer. And now the program run and it did accept an integer input. Now if you want to use another data types, just follow this. If you want to try what I discussed, just follow the basic syntax and the data types. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Again, I am John here to help you in your programming needs. Thank you for watching, guys.